If you've been searching for a pet supplement that actually delivers results, then you've probably already heard the buzz around Pawbiotix in 2025. And it's no surprise because pet owners everywhere are talking about the changes they've noticed in their dogs. Pawbiotix has been trending mainly because it's not just another temporary fix. People are seeing visible, long-lasting improvements in their dog's digestion, skin, coat, energy, and even overall immunity. Many owners say their dogs seem happier, more playful, and more active after using it consistently, while others highlight how it helped with digestive discomfort that used to bother their pets daily. One of the biggest draws is that Pawbiotix is made from natural, vet-approved ingredients without stimulants, GMOs, or harmful additives, which means owners feel more comfortable giving it to their dogs without worrying about side effects. The reported benefits include improved gut health, shinier coats, healthier skin, more energy during playtime, and stronger immunity, which are all things most pet owners want for their furry companions. Some reviews go as far as calling it a game changer for digestion, while others mention how even senior dogs regained their youthful spark and started running around again. Of course, not everyone's experience is exactly the same, as with any supplement, but the overall feedback suggests Pawbiotix has made a real difference in many households. Another point worth mentioning is the company's 60-day money-back guarantee, which gives owners peace of mind when trying it for the first time. This mix of positive word-of-mouth, visible results, and risk-free trial has made Pawbiotix one of the most talked-about pet supplements of the year, and it's easy to see why people are choosing it in 2025 for their dog's long-term health and vitality.